I saw a video the other day of a bodybuilder getting ready to do a show, and a lot of the other competitors were pumping up, lifting iron, getting the veins and the vascularity. But there was this one bodybuilder that was using a hair dryer, and he was had it on hot, I assume. And he was blowing it on his legs and his abs and his arms and everything, and the veins just came out like crazy. So, being a skeptic, I don't think that that can happen. So I'm going to try it, and we're going to see. My body fat's not competition low, so it may have some effect on it. But I'm probably maybe 4 weeks out if I was to start cutting. So we're going to do it on my legs and my lower ab, or one leg and lower abs. All right. So you can see, here's my sexy leg. Ta-da! Can't really see many veins, but we're going to try it.
They're actually coming out. Yeah, not a lot, but you can see them a little bit. See that?
Wow, it is working a little bit. I'm flexing to see if that helps. It doesn't stay hot. Wow, yeah.
Put the dryer face up.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh. Maybe that's the whole thing.
Feeling warm. My leg's getting rid of it. As you can see, it did bring it out a little bit.
Wonder how long it stays out though.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious to see. So, wow, now they're really coming out now. Well, it has been verified that it does work. Now let's try my lower abs and see if I can get some veins out. Don't be getting all excited about my pube line. Ooh, that's hot.
You have it on medium?
I got it on cold now. Oh, medium. Alrighty then. Yeah, look at this hot. Well, looks like it does work.
And look at your leg ones are still there.
Wow, they're really coming in. Now, one last spot. The arms, so when you do a double bicep.
Oh, you already got them out.
Well, they're pretty much, let's do this one, it's less tattoo, but they're out anyway, but... he could stand the heat from this sucker. Yeah, didn't do much for the arm. Of course, it more cooked it than anything. I'm red as hell, and the veins are gone.
Yeah.
So it didn't last very long at all. So we see that it is true, you can do it. It just don't last very long. Of course, my body fat being where it's at probably made it go away quicker. I don't know. So, myth confirmed.